Hey guys, welcome to Safi Max. In this video, I want to prove a conjecture related to numbers, which states that the sum of any two even numbers and the sum of any two odd numbers is always an even number. So to prove this conjecture, let us begin by first defining a natural number which I denote with k. That is, k is a natural number. Then corresponding to every natural number there exists an even number that can be written as the product of two times the natural number k. And similarly, an odd number in terms of k is written as 2 times k minus 1. So even numbers are written as 2 times a natural number, and odd numbers are written as 2 times natural number minus 1. With this definition in hand, let me define two even numbers. E1 equals 2 times n, where again n is a natural number, and E2 equals 2 times m, and m is also a natural number. Then the sum of these two numbers, which I write as E1 plus E2, is equal to 2 times n plus 2 times m. Since both the terms carries 2, therefore I can take the 2 common and can put it into this one form. Now, n is a natural number, m is a natural number, and we know that the sum of two natural numbers is also a natural number. Therefore, I can write n plus m equal to another natural number, which I represent here with p. That means the sum of two natural number e1 plus e2 is an even number because this is exactly 2 times a natural number like this. Now, let me define two odd numbers in the form O1 equals 2n minus 1 and O2 equals 2m minus 1. Then the sum of these two numbers is equal to 2n minus 1 plus 2m minus 1, and I can write this as 2n plus 2m and minus 1 time plus minus 1 gives minus 2, and since each number carries 2, therefore I can take 2 common from it. Again, n plus m is a natural number, and a natural number minus 1 is again a natural number. Therefore, the term inside the brackets is a natural number, and I can write this thing as 2 times q, where q is a natural number equal to this whole thing. So again, this is in the form of 2k, that is, the sum of two odd numbers is equal to an even number. So the conjecture is proven, that is, the sum of two even numbers is an even number and the sum of two odd numbers is an even number. Thanks for watching.